Welcome, young naturalists, to the ultimate nature quest. Are you ready to become an animal detective and uncover the secrets of what animals eat? On this exciting expedition, we'll journey into the wild to meet two very different groups of amazing creatures: the plant-munching herbivores and the meat-eating carnivores. Get your safari hats ready as we follow the clues, from teeth and tracks to habitats and habits. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, grasslands, and open woodlands. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they travel easily across sand. A camel's hump stores fat, not water. It's used for energy when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Rabbits belong to a special group called lagomorphs, not rodents. They're closely related to hares and pikas, not mice or rats. Rabbits can run up to 55 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, and jump over 1 meter, 3 feet high. They use quick hops and sharp turns to escape predators. Chickens have a sophisticated repertoire of over 30 distinct vocalizations. They have different calls for aerial predators, like a hawk, versus ground predators. Chickens are the closest living relatives of the Tyrannosaurus rex. Genetic studies have confirmed this link, making them modern-day dinosaurs. Black bears are generally not aggressive toward humans and prefer to avoid confrontation. Black bears are highly intelligent and have excellent long-term memory, especially regarding food sources. Black bear is an incredibly adaptable and fascinating creature. Here are some key facts about them. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, when chasing prey. Wolves are carnivores. They mainly eat deer, elk, moose, and smaller animals. Polar bear is the largest bear species and the largest land carnivore on Earth. A large male can weigh as much as 10 grown men. Polar bear can consume over 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of blubber in one sitting. Polar bears are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. They need wide open spaces to spot and chase prey. Foxes are known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. They have been observed using complex strategies. Foxes don't just bark, they communicate with a variety of sounds, including screams, geckers. Foxes are highly adaptable and have successfully colonized many urban areas worldwide. Hamsters are small mammals that belong to the rodent family, just like mice and squirrels. That's why your hamster might be running on its wheel when everyone else is asleep. Hamsters' teeth never stop growing, so they need to chew on wood, cardboard, or special chew toys to keep them short. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores, but they mostly eat plants. Sometimes they eat small animals, eggs, or insects for extra protein. Pandas are excellent climbers. Deer are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk, and their eyes are perfectly adapted for this. Deer have a highly developed sense of smell, which is their primary means of communication. They possess 7 different external glands that secrete scents. Deer are incredibly resilient animals. They are true ruminants with a 4-chambered stomach that allows them to digest a wide variety of tough plant matter, including woody shrubs. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. And they are classified as vulnerable to extinction, mainly due to habitat loss, poaching, and civil unrest in parts of Africa. Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopards' pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Leopards live alone, marking territories with scent and scratch marks. They meet only for mating or when a mother is raising cubs. Gorillas are the largest primates in the world. Gorillas share about 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives. Gorillas are incredibly strong, up to 10 times stronger than an average human. Gorillas are mostly herbivores. They eat leaves, stems, fruit, and bamboo shoots. Gorillas spend most of the day eating and resting. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Their gator holes, which they dig and maintain during dry periods, alligators are long-lived creatures. In the wild, they can live 35 to 50 years, and in captivity, they have been known to live 65 to 80 years or more, surviving the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. Deer are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk, and their eyes are perfectly adapted for this. Deer have a highly developed sense of smell, which is their primary means of communication. They possess 7 different external glands that secrete scents. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae. They're close relatives of horses and donkeys. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. They spend most of the day grazing, and their strong teeth are made for chewing tough plants. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called Bovidae. Meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view, almost 320 degrees around. Goats have strong, split hooves that help them climb rocks and steep hills. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Horses have lived on Earth for over 50 million years. Horses belong to the Equidae family, along with zebras and donkeys. Horses usually live for 25 to 30 years, but some live even longer. Horses can see almost 360 degrees around them. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. Elephants are very strong. They can carry loads over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, with their trunks. Elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, smell, touch, trumpet, and even hug. Elephants are herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. To solve the mystery of who eats what in the wild, our quest will take us on an adventure to observe these animals in action. We'll watch how gentle herbivores like deer, rabbits, and elephants use flat teeth to grind down leaves and grass, spending their days grazing in open fields and forests.